Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Einstein bagels, full guide. Start by combining flour, water, yeast, sugar, and salt, then knead until smooth. Refrigerate the dough for a slow ferment to develop flavor and chew. Shape into uniform rings, rest briefly, then boil in water with a bit of barley malt or honey. Transfer to a tray, add toppings, and bake until glossy brown and chewy. Warm and friendly tip. Keep your ingredients slightly cool to control fermentation and chew. Mix until a cohesive dough forms, and then knead to the window pane stage for proper structure. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl and refrigerate for several hours or overnight for depth of flavor. This slow approach gives you that classic bagel aroma and a tight crumb that holds up to toppings and toasting. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing recipes. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're durable and surprisingly cozy while you knead and bake. I wear them when testing oven times, and they save my feet during long bakes. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Shape the dough into smooth balls, then create a hole with your finger and stretch gently to form even rings. Preheat your oven with a baking stone or heavy tray for steady heat. Boil each ring for 30 to 60 seconds per side in simmering water with a touch of sweetener for browning. Add seeds or salt, then bake until the crust is deeply colored and the center is set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.